Hey everybody, this is Jari here. I just wanted to come in real quick and show you guys how I install my closure wig. Here I'm taking my natural hair and pushing it up under a wig cap. I got this from the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to go ahead and put my customized unit on top of the wig cap. And this unit has already been customized to my head. The lace is cut. It's a closure, a 4x4 with 14, 16, 18-inch bundles. And I've been wearing this for about 5 months. I'm just taking that eyeliner and outlining where I want my unit to fall, and that'll be my guide as to how much Got2Be glue to use. This is the black one. I like this one because it's clear, and I just dot that on my forehead, making sure not to go past the marks I used. So now I'm going to go ahead and just make sure my edges are tucked under my wig cap, and then I'm going to take a brush. You can use any kind of brush, and you can even use your fingers. I just prefer the brush, and I'm going to go ahead and spread that all out so that it's nice and even and not clumpy. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer just to dry and get this Got2Be tacky. You don't want to put your wig on the glue while it's wet because it won't stick. It needs to be a bit dry. Then I'm going to just remove those dots and then use my Got2Be Feeeze spray. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of smooth that over the glue, making sure not to go past where the glue was. And then I'm going to dry it. And then I'm tucking those edges away because you don't want them sticking out when you put your wig on. And when I feel the glue is all dry, I'm going to pull my lace onto it and just kind of place it down, making sure I fit it exactly where I want to make sure it looks really natural. And then I'm going to just kind of lightly press it down with the end of that brush or comb, excuse me. And when you're pressing down, try not to press too hard. Try to keep your taps light, and remember not to let any of like the baby hairs or the edge hairs slip under the lace. Make sure it's all pushed back so that you can get a more seamless application. And then, like I said, use light taps. Don't press too hard with your fingers so that your oils don't disturb the hold, and so that you don't get a real crusty, ashy look. Now, just to make sure everything's secure and in place, I'm going back with my blow dryer on cool, and then I'm going to start forming the baby hair area. I'm using just a little double-sided comb, and wherever I notice it's not holding like I want, I'm just going to spray some more spray. Hold it down with my comb, like press it down, and then blow dry it just to make sure it's secure. So that's what I'm doing here. Alright, so now that I'm confident that everything's in place, again, I'm just forming the baby hairs lightly, and then I'm going to take my Nairobi mousse and go back over it to really make sure everything's formed. And if you notice that there's like, it looks a little crusty, if you will, on the side, the Nairobi just will help, you know, loosen that up and make sure that it doesn't look that way when you finish forming everything. And I don't want super defined baby hairs. They're really not going to show because I'm going to wear a middle part, but just I'm getting everything how I want it, making sure to try and camouflage the lace as best as I can on the sides and in the front. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and put on my scarf. And that's what you see here. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're interested in the hair and the closure, go check out my website, chocolatebeautyinc.com, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, have a blessed day.